In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the advanced filter function to filter data sets based on a particular criteria and copy it to another tab. I can never overemphasize the importance of this function, whether you work with Excel or you are a learner. This is one of the functions in Excel you probably cannot afford not to know. To use the advanced data function, define your criteria. The criteria is what the advanced filter will return upon completion. I want to get only the data on contract staff. To do this, copy the category of staff and paste it here as the first criteria, and type the description under it to properly define it. End the criteria with an asterisk. Go to where you want the result to appear. Select Data, and in the Data ribbon, select Advanced. We want the results to appear in this sheet, so click on Copy to another location. Click into the list range to define the source data sets. Click on the sheet containing the source data and select all the data sets, but without the criteria. Select the first row and press Ctrl, Shift, and the down arrow button to select the data sets. Click into the criteria range and select the criteria you defined. Click into the Copy To box and select where you want the results to appear. Click OK to complete, and Excel will return only the information on contract staff. Now let's take this further. In our data sets, we have gig staff and outsourced gig staff. We want the advanced filter to return only gig staff and leave out outsourced gig. To do this, in your criteria, enter your description. In this tutorial, gig under the category of staff and end with an asterisk. This will return all data that starts with a gig. Navigate to the Results tab, go to Data, select Advanced. In the Advanced filter box, check Copy to another location. Repeat the process used in the earlier example. Click OK to finish. Here, you will get information on gig staff only. What if we want to get information on all staff who work on gig? That is, both gig staff and outsourced gig staff. It's pretty simple. In the criteria and under the category of staff, start with an asterisk. Enter your description. In this tutorial, gig, and end with an asterisk. This will return all data that contains gig. Go to where you want the results to appear. Select Data, click on Advanced, and repeat the process used in the previous example. Click OK when done. You can see that the advanced filter retained information on both gig staff and outsourced gig. Let's take this a bit further. In this example, we want to know all gig workers, whether gig staff or outsourced gig, who earn more than 10,000 Ghana cedis. To do this, copy salary in the data and add it to your criteria. Properly define the salary criteria. Our criteria is the staff should earn 10,000 Ghana cedis and above. Mathematically, this can be represented as greater than or equal to 10,000. You can add as many criteria as you want. Go to your results tab and repeat the advanced filter process to get the information based on the defined criteria. In the criteria range, select all the criteria. Click OK to finish the process. Let's do a quick comparison here. You can see that it left out all staff whose salary is less than 10,000 Ghana cedis. It left out Martin Khan, Kate Lily, Mabel and Peter, even though they all work on gig. Let me show you the last trick that can buy you some time when using the advanced filter. We want the advanced filter to return only the name, category of staff, and salary of all gig workers who earn more than 10,000 Ghana cedis, but leaving out the numbers and their email addresses. What we will do is to copy the headings of the data columns we want to get and paste it into the results tab. Repeat the advanced filter process. In the Copy To box, select all the data headings you copied and click OK to complete the process. Here you can see that by using this trick, it left out numbers and email addresses, leaving only the columns we defined. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more content.